Hi, I'm going to shoot a video here to show how to remove the operating panel and the stationary panel from a BayView patio door. I'm going to do this on the 2500 series, but the process would be the same on both the 2500 series and the 5500 series. To begin, starting on the operating panel, there's a snap-on interlock on the back of the panel here. So using a putty knife tool, you can get in between the door panel and the snap-on glazing and carefully open it up, and then that will snap off of the door here. Once that's out, you need to check up in the header of the main frame door. I've already removed it, but there's generally a white block up there that is stuck on with two-sided tape that needs to be removed. That is the anti-lift out block. This one's already been taken out, so once the interlock's off, I can lift the inside panel up and out of the opening. And I'll put that to the side. Now we've got the operating panel out, we're going to address taking the stationary panel out. First thing you need to do is there's a threshold on the bottom here. That's also a snap-in. I'm going to get in there and snap that out and carefully remove that, making sure it's not too scratch or mar any of the vinyl. Lay that to the side. And this has a snap-on interlock on here as well, and that will need to be removed the same way. So I'll get between here, start working that open, and that will snap off and be removed. Keep that separate so you know which one goes back where. And this side of the door is all clear. Now I need to remove some screws from the backside jamb that's securing this door in place. I'm going to remove the door stops, and then there's a cover piece that simply snaps in on the jamb. I'll remove that, and you'll see the door secured in there with screws that need to be removed. So I'll remove those screws. A little tight. Okay, that screw, the jamb screws have been removed. Now you should see a screw in the center of the door at the top and the bottom. Those will need to be removed as well. That one's out. And then there's one in the bottom that goes down on an angle into the sill. Okay, that screw is removed. Now the panel will come free from the jamb. It can be slid over, and then that panel too can be lifted and taken out to the opening, giving you a clear passageway. To put the panels back in, just reverse this process.